Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook perfect scrambled eggs. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. For each serving, you will need 2 to 3 large, good quality eggs. Have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter or a neutral cooking oil ready. A small pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper are also essential to enhance the natural flavors. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious breakfast. Once your ingredients are ready, crack the eggs into a bowl. Whisk them gently with a fork or a small whisk until the yolks and whites are just combined, but avoid over-whisking, as this can make them tough. Next, place a non-stick pan over a low to medium-low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt slowly, coating the entire bottom of the pan. This gentle heat is crucial for tender eggs. Now, pour the egg mixture into the warm, buttered pan. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the bottom to just begin to set. Then, using a heat-resistant spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan. Continue to fold and push the eggs, moving them around until they are mostly set but still appear slightly wet and glossy. This technique creates a wonderfully creamy texture. Finally, remove the pan from the heat while the eggs are still a little moist. They will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Season generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve your perfectly cooked, fluffy, and creamy scrambled eggs immediately on warm toast, alongside bacon, or with your favorite breakfast sides. Garnish with fresh chives if you like. Enjoy this simple, yet luxurious dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.